Northwest Ski and all that cool ballpark.
Okay.
Just because I love you, I'm giving it to you for what I give it
Thank
to
you, I appreciate it.
And listen, I'll do it for you whenever you want and not make a penny off of you because it helps me in the long run and shit because,
Well, I needed to fill in today. Thank you. And we're trying to do the same thing, so I don't know like prices and shit. We probably get it for about the same price. So we're trying to do the same goal.
I pay free.
Yeah.
But it's always one shard.
Well,
And everybody that comes to me has said it's the best in town.
yeah.
They say it's better than the shit you can get.
Really? The last couple, well, I haven't been going to my plug because I owe them a little bit of money, but I'm got them paid off now and back to business. Yeah, I heard my friend went to you the other day, yesterday. But anyway, no, he didn't say anything. He just told me that he saw you. He didn't say anything about it. Really. I want to try. I want to see what it's like though. I want to see what it's like though.
Yeah, it's clean.
Is it?
Yes.
Cool. Yeah, I was going to, for a minute, I was going to fill in with Linda. Her shit was kind of bunk, and she's hot as fuck. I think she's out of jail again.
Yes, she is.
Really? How the fuck?
Wait, did you run her out?
Oh, here, look at this.